how to join a Zoom meeting or even create a new meeting. So in order to do that, you first need this Zoom Workplace application. If you don't have this, what you can do is go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you use and search for Zoom download. Once you search for it, you can see the download center for Zoom. Just open it. And from here, you can just download the installation file. This one that says 64 bits. And once you have downloaded the file, just open it to install the application. Alright, now that we have got that out of our way, so what you can do is open the application and just simply make sure to log into your account using Facebook, Google, or there are many other options using your Apple ID. Zoom lets you log in via different methods, so you can log into according to your preference. Once you are logged in, this should be your home page, and just if you want to join the meeting, simply click here that says join. You will need to enter your meeting ID or the personal link name. If the host has sent you a link, you can also enter the meeting link right here. And if you don't want to connect the audio right away after you've joined, just check this box. And if you want to keep your video off, just select this box. And after you have entered the ID name, you can just simply click on join. And according to the meeting's privacy settings, if the host has set a password on the meeting, you will need to enter the password as well. But if the meeting is open, then you can directly join the meeting from there. And in order to create a new meeting, you can just click here and this will automatically start a new meeting. You can copy the invite link to invite your friends or anyone you want in the meeting, and that's how you can easily create a new meeting and even join a Zoom meeting. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.